Hello, everyone. My name is Wade the Wallaby, and welcome to another live stream. Now, first of all, I was thinking about something that was pretty interesting and possibly very, well, I should say, is Mars hard to get to? The answer is yes. It is extremely hard. Well, why am I going to talk about this topic? We're going to be talking about what I think. Now, we may talk about, my project, the Wolf Coyote landers. But I'm going to explain a little bit that I actually had some ideas that might be names for it. So they're all going to be named after canines, such as they're going to be named of wild canines, such as wolves, coyotes, dingoes, maybe foxes. The dingo lander will be possibly that large shell I've been talking about. That's what I'm going to name it. That is the outer top shell for the back shell. That parachute comes out and slows it down. Just like if you look at Curiosity rover, you see that big parachute that pops out. All the landers, Scaparelli, which failed, Beagle 2, all those landers, all of them, all the landers that had parachutes like that, the back shell, except for Beagle 2. Well, the most important one is the one that's from even Viking 1. Any lander that goes to Mars has to have a parachute because, well, Beagle 2 was designed to land like it was supposed to go to the thick atmosphere, or I should say, lower portions of Mars. They thought that the atmosphere was thick enough, so the craft just hit, but it did look like the panels did come out. It must have taken much damage, so it's a failure because it did transmit data. But we don't what happened until we put a lander or a man down there or woman because I mean, it is extremely hard, but if you have the right things, you should be all right. The reason why it's hard is you have to calculate, and of course, you got unexpected routes. It's because it's a long way and there's no recovery. The moon is kind of easy, but it is kind of hard still. If you play Kerbal Space Program or Orbit 2016, which Orbit 2016 is really kind of for people are like elite like me, but it seems like that any simulator that hopefully has feet instead of kilometers, I wish I could basically modify those, but it might mess up. Yeah, I probably mess up Orbit if I do that because it's built in like that, and but Kerbal is much easier because for some reason that's how I started. But Mars, holy crap, it is just a mind-blowing mess. Now, the atmosphere is of course composed with carbon monoxide or carbon. It is barely has enough oxygen, has barely enough hydrogen. Of course, with MAVEN detected it, which orbits a elliptical orbit around Mars that I could think of, and it's very thin. Now, obviously, if I would have I'm going to demonstrate. Well, obviously, until we wait till 2030s, then this video will probably be different. Or if I get terminated later on, which actually, yeah, from 2050, but whatever. If my channel survives all those years, then I'll definitely will be as realistic as possible. So basically, okay. Mars is really interesting. Now, if you try to, pretend, of course, I can't actually pretend there's low gravity. Well, obviously, such as, bungee stuff or something like that, but no, that's just doesn't work like that way. So we're going to have to do it the old fashioned way. Now, of course, Mars has a low gravity, but if you look at the Apollo missions and look how they moved around, they kind of jumped and they barely will walk. So if you try to compare that, if you jumped, you would have went probably actually much more, because one person actually jumped. That's how much. Well, I think that's how fast it jumped on the moon. Now, for example, but it depends on how, because the suits are very tough, very stiff. You can't bend your legs too much, unless never mind. But yeah, jump. Yeah, that's basically, you can jump really high unless if you're like a basketball player. But if you had a basketball player on Mars, yeah, I'd be double to that because I'm obviously not used to it. But if I had like a words are called. Sometimes some easy words for me get lost in my brain and have to think for a while. Trampoline. I have some problems with it. Maybe it's old age, but I'm only 18. That's not much. But yeah, trampoline will be more realistic. But there's one problem: gravity. Now, gravity will pull that down and make it more the atmosphere. But of course, we barely see footage of landings on Mars. The only type of footage that we saw was actually frame by frame, was frame. Now, if you try to put that like a little bit faster, it does go faster. Think of Curiosity. Possibly that was the only one that captured its own landing. And the camera still is active because why not? It was the descent camera and it took pictures and transmitted from all the way from Earth, you know. And then, yeah, although it didn't give us a smooth type of recording, so maybe Wolf Coyote in Iowa have like a camera that will sort of maybe actually come into multiple cameras, but it has to be protected by a back shell. Now, of course, however, did propose some ideas for a space plane. No, I'm not thinking about the werewolf space plane. No, I'm thinking about a small type of lander that perhaps may actually work. Now, it is possibly with hover engines and all that stuff, but it's a small unmanned, I should say, air space plane. Now, the space plane, well, think about the XR would be something, whatever it was. It's used for the United States Air Force. They won't tell us what's inside in there because it's probably warp technology. Or something that they don't want people taking over using as a weapon. That'd be bad, which would be for a while. Let me close this. Oh man. So yeah, maybe. Although there is a possibility that. Now, I didn't demonstrate how gravity works, which, to be fair, I mean you can't. Which would be basically a long ways further, but. The atmosphere, yeah, of course, there's something like. Okay, so instead of just guessing, I have to cheat. And reason why is because sometimes there's so much from. Oh man. Whew. Oh! Okay, so I'm on Wikipedia. Actually need to go to solar system and go to Mars because I want to give you the full, I should say, potential of the atmosphere because I only know it's a little bit of carbon and actually it's mostly carbon. Now, did you know that Earth is made of mostly nitrogen, which in the past I didn't know. Yeah. Oh, that's not how you work. Wait, that's not how you work. Stop being a moron. Oxymoron. What? That's racist. Okay, so yeah, this one's kind of hard because it's all like, okay, the atmosphere is mostly carbon dioxide, not monoxide. I was going to 95%, 95.97% of carbon monoxide, 1.93% argon. There's some nitrogen, oxygen, which is a little bit of it, but it's not carbon monoxide. Water vapor, 0.02110% of water vapor. Yep, I bet that's gonna change. Nitrogen oxide. Oh, okay. Neon, hydrogen. What? That's one word? Oh, it's some type of water. Captain, and then 0.00000 or 0.00001% xenon. Wow. Now let's compare it to like Earth. I wonder how many people will actually do this. Now let's see our home comparison. Water vapor, 1%. You mean like one? Yeah, nitrogen. It's like dry air, so it's like that's why you can get liquid nitrogen more often than but it has the least amount of hydrogen, but it does have a tiny bit of helium, and it's getting smaller every time. Of course, there's carbon dioxide, which is very common. Yeah, that's the water vapor. So it has 1% of that. Now, if you look at all the way to Mars, it only has just a tiny bit. Wow, I actually did not notice that. Water vapor. Yep, it's still there. Spirit. Oh, sup. Sorry, I was paying attention. Everyone loves me except for the one. So yeah, of course, Mars and stuff. My old brain can't remember, but refreshing from this page gives me an idea. But you can actually look it for yourself on Wikipedia to give you a sense, and probably will be better when I'm explaining. But what I want to explain is the fact that, let me go back to here. Um, no, my mom usually does not look at her email, but oh man, this is gonna suck. That's what Markiplier says. So yeah, oh man, dust storm. See, what I think about this dust storm thing is it doesn't look rendering pretty good. Yeah, it is. Yeah, you're correct. That's what she said. Yeah, for some reason, this picture here does not like dust storm. Oh, that killed opportunity. Ah, no, they killed Kenny. What? Wow, I didn't know that camera was that strong. So basically, they took a freaking picture from Mars orbit and then took Earth and the Moon. That's how good the HERS or Mars Picasso's orbit camera is. That gives you a deal that freaking. I mean, that's from like 2006 or. Well, yeah, it was, but I did. Wow, that was wow. Galileo, well, H.G. Wells. Why is there a symbol of Mars and it's like a male? That's kind of weird. I never thought about that. Of course, Pluto. I think I know what numeral it is for Pluto. It's like a it's. I think it's the P. Yep, it's a P. I thought one of them had like a dot around the P. It's kind of weird. Mother of mercy. Well, that sucks. Okay, that was kind of expected. Hello, I'm Pluto. I'm Gary. I'm Pluto. I'm Iris. I'm Hermia. I'm Mikey. I'm 2007 OR or Gong. I'm Quordar. I'm Setna. I'm 2002 MS. I'm Oculus, and I'm Shatna. Or no, Galactia. Wait a minute. Actually, oh, yes. I always forget. Let me mute. What the? Call from hello? Why? What you got from Baldi's? Yeah. You sound dry. You sound. Mm-hmm. Nah. Well, I gotta get working, so. Yeah, it's fine. Okay, sorry about that. I had to do something. Oh, it's still loading. I was like, wait a minute, why isn't that loaded in? Oh god, it's laggy. Man, this takes a lot of RAM. It's already loaded. Okay, so I'm on, I should say, Space Engine, and so yeah, because Space Engine basically, oh hello Andromeda, it has like everything. Oh yeah, so we're gonna have to go back to home, and I guess we'll go. I think it's 2007. Let's go here. So, hello? It's a monster! Blah! Okay, sorry. Oh, but that comment's pretty much screwed. Oh, wait. Damn it. That's not even it. That's not even like far away. I guess we're gonna have to go here. Yep, going back here. Alright, so yeah, much obliged. What the hell are you? You're not even a thing, Majiggy. Alright, I guess we're gonna have to go in here. Alright, size. Now you can't see what I'm seeing, but you can go on Steam, and you can, if you're lucky enough, you might able to watch me on there. Just right click on Skypix and you should be okay. And then it should say watch, and just press watch and just wait till it loads, and then you're gonna watch me. And I would see up here, you can chat up here, and might recommend that because I'm gonna okay, why am I zooming in? I better take off stars, planets. Actually, leave stars up. Stars. Okay. Dwarf planets are gone because yeah. Moons, gas, comets. Yeah, it could just asteroids. Okay. Oh, there it is. 2007. Oh, yep. Number of moons. Quasar. That's the one I saw on Wikipedia. There's Setna. This one's creepy. To be honest with you. Okay. So yeah, this one's pretty big. Let's go here. It's okay. So luckily about this, I should say. Now I like this because of the space thing, and the space engine, and it's really good. Yeah, it's really interesting. You learn a lot about how things are, and it is amazing. Even Scott Manley uses it. So yeah, I wish I could get the DLC and see what happens. So I'm about, wow, that's a long way. So yeah, it's about yeah, Discovery Day, of course, 2007. Okay. Oh, hello. Uh-oh, this is not good. Shit. Uh, uh, um, this is not good. You hear that? Um, this is. I can't. I can't. What the hell are you even doing? Oh no. I can't. I can't get out. And I can't even go back to the menu. I bet you're spamming something. Damn it. What is wrong with you? Well, I'm just gonna. I'll be right back. Wait a minute. Oh, I feel nauseous still. Oh, what? Man, I feel nauseous. Oh. Oh. Ah, it's stuck again. Oh, gravity, that's pretty low. It's just low. Good whining, baby. Jesus Christ. I should have even known better. But yeah. Ay-ya! All right. Okay, we're good. We're good. That took forever. Where's the moon? There's the moon. Hey, look, it's the moon. How big are you? Mass is about, okay, so the radius is about 993.21 miles. Yep, I made it so it's all like that, and I love it. It really makes it Fahrenheit and all this, you know. I'm gonna land on you. I'm gonna land on you. Yeah, take out the orbital pads. Man, I love steam. You know, the ship thing is really cool. Temperature is about negative 396.47 Fahrenheit. That's cool. Wow, that's pretty good. I'm sorry, Mike. Oh no! All right, so yay! Oh, I forgot to do. Okay. Wow, that's actually, yeah. There's a lot of asteroids. Less doom. Yeah, more like furry. Shut up. What is that called? I don't know what it says. These are some weird name for asteroids. Let's say avocado. I have no. Wart Purple Mountain. It's about 21,348 feet. There's one called like, okay, so yeah, there's like one that's called Europe, and it's like, oh my god, it's tiny. Where are you? Europe. Seriously, it's called that. Europe. It's like really close. Europe. 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 God. There it is. There's Europe. It's rotating really fast, by the way. It's about 361 feet across. What a tiny thing! The only smallest thing, or it's an object around the solar system, is this little dreadful thing. It's about 16.58 feet. Oh, it's so sad. Can we go explore other galaxies? No. It seems like these giant, massive biceps. Hold on, that witch is getting pissed. Hyena? Wait a minute, wait, what? So yeah, some of them, like, I found like one of them that had like two moons, like they had like the same size, and they're like tiny. It's really kind of interesting. But they're so close to orbit, and there's some weird asteroids. I'll tell you that. Maybe because of the the game, but seriously, there's like called like Capitharia or something. And it's just weird. Yes, yep. I'm gonna go here. Land. Much obliged. Man. Alright, so this buddy has a what? Oh my goodness gracious. There's a berry center. Wow. How far are they apart? Like, what? This is what I mean. So, okay, so yeah, wow. Wow. That's an asteroid right there. They're like almost the same size. Yeah, this one's like 76.25 miles, and the other one is like 67.70. That's close. That's really close. Infrared X2 is for ones that will collide. This is the one that basically is the future of things. But you can. I think you can actually. Wow, this one looks so rigid. This must be rotating fast. Wow, this is a real object. It is. I mean, to be honest with you, wow. It's such an honor. Okay, how fast do you rotate? I'm gonna land on you. Oh man, I would love to do a mission here. Rotates fast. I'm gonna time warp by pressing L. And by V, you can change the, I should say, from automatic, HDR, and M. So yeah, large metallic cloud. Wow, this one spins fast. They're not tightly locked, apparently. But yeah, they follow this berry center. But oh my goodness gracious, this thing moves fast. All right, let's get out of here. Or, that's not even our planet. That's not even our sun. That's some other sun that's far, far away. Yeah, there's some crazy. Ugh, wow, that's just a wow. Oh, check it out. Oh, wow, these things are just wow. This is just a full of beams, eh? Oh, is that Vesta? Yep, that's Vesta. I could tell about the shape. Vesta, I mean, look how cool Vesta is. I mean, I like how there's like it rotates kind of fast, but it is a really cool thing because it's on the side. It's so cool looking. I mean, to be honest with you, wow, it's just wow. It spins pretty fast, but not as fast, as like you're gonna fall off. But sort of, but okay, these are wow, lagging asteroids. I should call them. But this one of the largest asteroids in the asteroid category is 2007 ROR10, which is about 954 miles. I'm not going to translate that because it's how I use it in my country. So, ha ha ha. You're mean way. I'm sorry. I don't mean it like that way. I was just, wow, Setna, you just suck. Hey, don't comment that. Wow, you are such a weird shape. I don't know why. I'm going to put dwarf planets. And what I hate about, okay, so yeah. Pluto is apparently the what? What? They say that Iris was the biggest dwarf, I should say, asteroid. Pluto apparently is the largest in the category. They got it wrong. Mikey, I like that name so much. Okay, so we got like all these. Sirius, for some reason, is a dwarf planet, and I don't agree to that. I don't agree to any of that, of their terms. Why would you say that, Wade? So they say Halimia rotates fast. I don't understand how they even know it rotates fast. Pluto, on the other hand, exposure. Oh, this thing here, HDR. Okay, so we set that. Yeah, so Pluto rotates. Wow. Yeah, Pluto is pretty interesting because, wow, that is just a so good resolution. And even the heart, how lovely. Why, yeah, this like part here is like so good. The rest of it, sad. Makes me sad. Yeah, it seems like these. This one looks like it rotates like Vesta. Okay, let me take out tour plants because I don't need those because they're just dope. Oh, this is just a wow. Wow, there's even one. Do you have a moon? No. Do you have a moon? No. Do you have a moon? Yes, you do. You have a moon. Wow, 2017. Wow, that was just recently discovered. Let me check you out. Let's land on you. Whoa, 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 whoa. Calm down. Calm down. Calm down, okay? Okay, what? What? Okay, so you're basically have no moons, but you're very recently discovered, apparently. Yeah. How? Where's your orbit? You might be like a well, you're a Kuiper object. Yeah, you're very close to. You're like one of those Pluto things, or Plutonoids for some reason. Hello? Oh, it's a star. Okay. Well, I accidentally clicked a star. I hate that. Well, these are some interesting. Wow, these are some pretty planets, by the way. All right, I'm gonna have to do something right here. So yeah. Well, actually, it's Skypix. No, Snapchat is for only porn users and very inappropriate people.